If you've ever recorded a voiceover or podcast and noticed those distracting breaths between words, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove breathing in Audacity quickly and in a way that still sounds natural. This is a super useful editing trick for creators, podcasters, voice actors, and anyone working with speech audio. And before we get started, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more simple audio editing tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into Audacity. First, open your project in Audacity and listen through your recording until you find the breath you want to clean up. The key here is to work carefully because you usually do not want to remove every tiny breath in a voice recording. Natural breathing can help audio sound human, but loud or distracting breaths can pull attention away from the message. So the goal is not always to erase everything completely. Instead, we want to make the breath much quieter so it blends into the background. To do that, use your mouse to highlight the breath sound directly on the waveform. Make sure you select only the breath and not the surrounding spoken words. This part matters because if you accidentally select too much audio, you can affect the tone of the voice and make the edit sound unnatural. Once the breath is selected, go up to the effect menu at the top of Audacity. From there, hover over volume and compression. This section contains tools that let you control how loud or quiet the selected audio becomes. Now click Amplify. This opens the Amplify settings window, and this is where the magic happens. In the new Peak Amplitude field, set the value to -50 decibels. That will dramatically lower the volume of the selected breath so it becomes much less noticeable. After setting it, click Apply. What this does is essentially muffle the breath instead of completely cutting it out. And that is important, because a sudden hard delete can sometimes leave a tiny gap that sounds robotic or unnatural in a voiceover. By lowering the breath instead of deleting it entirely, the edit can sound more like natural silence. This is especially helpful if you want the final audio to stay smooth and professional. Now, if you are working with a long recording and you do not want to manually clean every single breath one by one, Audacity also has a more automated option. You can go to Effect, then Noise Removal and Repair, and use Noise Gate. With Noise Gate, you can set the threshold just above the breath volume so the quieter breath sounds get reduced automatically. This can save a lot of time when you are editing long voice recordings, but you should always listen back after applying it to make sure the voice still sounds natural. A really good workflow is to start by cleaning the most distracting breaths manually, then use tools like Noise Gate for broader cleanup if needed. That gives you more control and helps keep the audio sounding polished instead of over-processed. Also, zooming in on the waveform can make it much easier to select breaths accurately, especially when they are small or close to other words. So to quickly recap, the main steps are: highlight the breath sound, open Effect, go to Volume and Compression, choose Amplify, set the new peak amplitude to -50 decibels, and click Apply. And for longer projects, Noise Gate can help automate the process. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Audacity tips, audio editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.